Right, here we go at Cliffy's workshop. We're take 3 for the day because we've had a couple of failures. Cameraman didn't have the camera plugged in, the fans weren't plugged in, so we've got the fan running on the dyno, and we've got the safety barrier, we've got the drum of oil there protecting us from the fan. Ignition. Oh, we've got a Karuba rum. Oh, that's the...
that's for the motor.
That's for the motor.
Yeah,
okay.
yeah. She loves a drink of rum.
In case he gets thirsty. Right. So here we go. We've got
the only way to cure that Chinesium carburetor, mate.
That's not a dog, by the way. That's
No.
actually the safety cover for the gas can this time. Giving away the Dutch cap.
So it's seen it so close to the exhaust, you know, with the wires and things. We've got that air gap here, Roger.
Yeah. Can you get a feeler gauge down there?
Yeah, yep.
Okay, that's
See,
good.
the fan's going to keep it all cool.
Yep.
Right. Okay.
Radiator hooked up today.
Here we go, mate.
We've got a
Radiator's hooked up today. Yes. Yeah. We're getting a bit more serious now.
Idling pretty good today. This old Chrysler definitely likes the taste of rum, just like the driver. Let's just ring up a bit of an exhaust pipe here, so Cliffy's just chopping a bit of a tailpipe up. So now we've got the sweet exhaust. Oh, this is gonna. That's off a diesel. That's off a diesel. That'll stink when it comes out.
Slinger in the timing chain cover.
Oh, yeah.
Pretty certain they run an oil slinger. Like a little kitty cat, isn't it?
Probably get a new slinger. You have to rekit the whole front, but is it worth it?
Yeah, I'll throw it in the way it is.
Slinger's only made of thin steel, so
it'll wear in.
It'll wear in.
It might cut a hole in the timing chain cover in the process, but it'll wear in.
Like John Inman used to say, "No, you've been served." It'll ride up with wear.
It'll ride up with wear, mate. Yeah. Should be sweet.
That's gonna smoke the shit out of the tyre. Tyre,
Oh yeah.
not tyres.
Oh, it's got that big dip in it too.
Oh, the 7 1/4 inch.
7 1/4, mate.
Oh, the mean diff, the mean diff. It's like a cake mixer on steroids.
Yeah. Ah, that'd be good. Oh, we should have thought of pulled the gearbox in and taken a picture.
We're all about safety here.
Yeah,
Safety in the coup.
Yeah, yep.
Here's a freshly rebuilt gearbox by Bob.
Oh,
Yeah, he's a guru on these.
relined the old plate.
Yeah, so Bob's put new springs in.
Yeah.
He's also resurfaced it. He's put the good lining in.
Oh, nice. He's done a good job.
Nicely riveted up.